Thought I'd make a quick video, mostly because I chipped a tooth and got to get this shit out. So, might as well see how it works. Oh. Come on. Should have put a paper clip in. Oh well. Come on. Yay. And it's done. I put just a quick overview. It's a simple circuit doodad, really. It's this stuff you buy on eBay, induction high frequency current doodad. It comes with a coil, I think this ghetto power supply I took the case off of, and that's it. Oh, and some really cheap tube, so get braided tube, because fuck it. Well, yeah, that's just an overview of my thingamabob. Back to work.